Blaze here with Off Leash Canine Training out of Blacksburg and Roanoke. This is Miska. She's a 6-month-old Husky. She's going to be here for 2 weeks working on her basic obedience with us. So Miska comes to us today. She is a lot puppy. She is 6 months old. They don't complain about her too much though. She doesn't have any major issues. She does have a little resource guarding with her food with her other dog. That's pretty much it. She does jump up on people when they're out for walks. She does pull on the leash when they are walking. She likes to dig a little bit in the yard. So that's basically all of her issues that they have complained about. So right now I'm just going to go through a few basic commands and see what she'll do for us. All right, Miska, come here. Good girl. Come. Miska, sit. Miska, sit. Good girl. Down. Miska, down. No. Miska, place. Miska, place. Nope. All right, that's how she's responding on day 1. Just check back in 2 weeks for her progress.